Yeah. Yeah, if you have any doubt, just please raise your hand and I will call your name according to the sequence and then you can speak. Okay. Yeah. Nobody is having any doubt. Okay, so then if you guys have no any doubt, I will have some questions. Then I will ask one question. So just I'm waiting for another 2 to 3 minutes, so that more people will join. And
Sir, I have a doubt in question number 9.
question number 9 of what?
The graded assignment week 4.
Let me see how much I can discuss, but yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt in 5.5, 1 to 3 questions.
Okay. Week 5. Activity question. What is it?
Yes, sir.
Activity question
5.5,
5.5.
2 and 3.
Okay. Yeah. Others?
Sir, I do have doubt regarding this graded assignment for question number 9 and 10.
Sir, where is the center, sir, for the IIT qualifier exam?
You will get the admit card
Okay,
in
sir.
that it will be mentioned. Yeah. Others? Any conceptual doubt you guys have? Anything?
Sir, when the admit card will be issued, sir?
Next, I mean, like, coming week, I think it will be there. Next week.
July 10, sir?
I mean, that week, I don't know the exactly date, but in that week, date.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
So are you explaining week 5 content?
I mean, see, week 5 I can explain. It's fine. But if we have doubt, I can explain. But I don't think so. Most of the guys have watched the week 5 content and no.
So actually, I'm term 1 student, so I need to.
Yeah, I can discuss. No problem. If you have any doubt, so week 5 I will take some question doubts in the such way that like I will have one question for list, like week 5 and 6 both are list, no? So
We list.
yeah, so I will start from very much basic from week 5, how list you are going to create.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, it's really neat, sir.
Yeah, so I will conduct that session from very much basics to what we are asking in the graded assignment questions, all the things, how to access the
Yeah, sir. It's
elements
really
of
neat, sir.
how to access the elements of list, how you are creating list of list.
Yeah.
These all things I will discuss. It will have another 1 or 2 hour session where you guys will also collaborate. So yeah, I will do much more details once we finish this qualifier examination.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, sir.
yeah, because most of the guys are here for mostly qualifier examination.
I can understand, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have
Okay.
that in activity 4.4, question number 4.
PVT 4 point.
4.
Question number 4.
Yes.
Others?
So having the same doubt in graded assignment, complete 4 question 9 and 10.
Question number?
9 and 10, which you
Nine.
have already noted. Yes, so we have already noted that.
Yeah. Okay, so I think I should start now. It's a 6 of. Okay. So just I'm going to start for the week 4, activity 4.4, question 4. Yeah, so if you are, so who had doubt in activity 4.4, question 4? Hello,
Yes, sir.
uh, Tripti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so are you able to solve question number 1, 2, and 3?
Yes, sir, but I missed the concept of fourth question, like how to find out the reduce.
Simple, no, I see. By what factor does the winning reduce the number of comparisons? So if,
Yes, divide.
yeah, so this is comparisons 190 without any binning. And once you do binning, you will have base winning 10. So you just divide by 190 divided by 10, that much you have reduced the comparisons.
That was silly. At that time, I was not getting it.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, just give idea. Next we have question number 9 and 10 related assignment. Let me see how much I can discuss. This is the one.
Yes, sir.
When if you find any error in this question or you have difficulty.
So I was unable to understand what does it mean by saying X part of speech is equal to adjective and Q. What
Ah.
does that mean?
And P is what you have initialized as a
P
boolean.
is true.
So boolean data, either it can have true or false. So this is OX dot parts of speech is equal to adjective. So it will return either true or false. Means if parts of speech will be adjective, return true, and it is connected with and another statement is P. The value of P is what? Either it can have true or false. So then you have to check what is the value of P for that case. If it is true, then if it is also true, then true and true both are connected with and operator. So overall it will be true. Like that, you can think. I mean, just check the value. No, what is the final
So
value?
yes, I got it. Got it.
Okay. Yeah. And question number 10. 10, both are same. No? It's 9. I mean, 9 and
It's only
10.
the same.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then next, what we have? Week 5. Okay. How many of you guys have watched week 5? Question number, which one? 2 and 3. Oh, this is 5.6. Two and three. Yeah. So this is what, okay. So who had doubt in this?
Sir, Pawan.
Power. Okay. So what's your doubt in this, Power? I mean, did you understand what these functions does?
Sir, in question 3, I think it should be element of LOI are equal. Because
Element 1 is equal to element 2. Then is in order will return true or false. That is what it is done. Will return true if element of LOI are ascending order or descending order or unique or whatever it is.
answer is unique, sir.
What is the answer? I mean,
Element of unique.
so this is, and so what is your doubt there in this?
Sir, I think it should be answer should be equal.
So I have to go through the question. Yeah, first it will be good that if we go through the question and then, okay. So what it is actually doing actually? So you have a procedure is in order. You have a procedure in, the name of the procedure is called is in order.
And
For having argument is what? L. L is a what? List. And
yes, sir.
so while length of L is greater than or equal to 2. So if you have a list, I don't know for other guys what they will understand. I mean, guys, are you able to address? Are you able to understand what is happening here? They haven't watched, I think, because so list is some element in which it should be the length of, I mean, list. Let us say this is a list, and how we initialize something. I mean, let us say some number is there, 0, like that. Like that is there. You have a list and length of L. So whatever you are calling, I mean, so what? So you are calling is in order procedure with the list. The length of this guy should be greater than 2. If it is not 2, where it will come? It will come as, and it will return as a true. If it is less than, I mean, if it is length of, so for what it will return true? I mean, without going to this while loop, for what case it will return true? Whenever length is,
Length is greater than 2.
means if there is only one element, then it will come here. It will not go inside. No, if there is only one element, it will return what?
False.
No, it will return true. No, because length
No,
of
true.
true. No, because it will not go. It will come. See, line number 2, it will give false. No, understood? Okay. So others, guys, others, what are you doing, guys? So for others, I give one question. I have one question. Can you see this question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you try to solve this? What? So my question. First, try to look at what it is happening here. Then I will ask the question. But I want to explain this one also. How I can do. I mean, this. Miss, how many are able to understand what I'm trying to explain here in this week 5 contents? How many are there?
Sir, I am able.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Only 2,
Yes, sir.
Me too.
3, 4. Others haven't watched the lecture.
What, sir?
No, sir, not completed.
Yeah, I don't know what to do. Other way, like, okay, just I quickly go through that and then I go to the discussion. Okay. Okay. So see what is happening. I mean, if the length of your list will be 1, it will return as a true here itself. Okay.
Okay.
So one, actually. Now come here, and what is happening now? It is while length of L is greater than 2. So let us say you have another list which has elements more than 2. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Now as soon as you go, you will find what element of 1 will be first of L. So element 1 will be first of L, the first value of this one. So let us assume some 4 elements, and we'll try to do that. Chalo, 9. Okay. So ELE 1 will be what element? It will be what first of L. First of L will be what 1.
1.
Agree, everyone? And our rest list will be what? Rest of L. Rest of L, what it does?
509.
Huh?
Left.
What it will do? What will be the return value?
509.
509.
Yeah, it will leave the first element, and it will return all the remaining element inside a list. Understand? So can you see this? The first of L is a return value is the integer, whereas the rest of list is returning a list itself. Okay. Now we are coming here, and we are checking element 2. Element of 2 will be first of rest of list. So what it will is value? Tell me.
5.
5.
Meaning element of 2 is actually considering the second element. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is checking element of 1. So this one, the first element and the second element. So 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. It's a true or false condition.
True.
True, sir.
So it will directly return as a false. So we need not to check at further. It will return as a false. So like what it is the question? Question is what? I mean, I just go through each and every question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For others also. So let LOI be a list of positive integers, then is in order will return true. If so, true, if it is returning true, then obviously you have to come at here. But as soon as if you see here, whenever the element is next element is greater than the previous element, it returns false. Can you see this?
Yes,
So
sir.
it's an increasing order it is saying. So obviously the number should be decreasing order, descending order.
Sir,
Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
sir, no, sir, I will ask later.
Who had doubt in this? Just now I said, yeah. I mean, see,
Me.
no. So first question is first question number 1 is clear for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So elements should be in what?
Descending order.
Descending order. So now if for returning true, you should have, and what is the element should all have positive integers, no? So let us say if it is starting with 9, then what it should be the more
5.
than
8 is
8, it can have, let us say 5, 0,
okay.
chalo 1, and let us say 4 elements. Okay? Yeah. So elements should be in descending order. Chalo. Now if the conditional statement in line 6 is replaced with what? So this is the replacement. Now we have element is greater than element 2. Now the elements line number 6, what it is done, ELE1 is replaced with this one. So now it should have been
Ascending order.
descending order, meaning increasing order. Understand?
Yes.
Descending,
Yes, sir.
increasing, ascending. So now here L should be like this. Something start with, let us say 3, then it should have 8, 11, 15. Agree, everyone? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come here. If the conditional element in line number 6 is replaced with this guy, line number. Let me write the question also. This is question number 2 and the question number 1. Yeah. So now this is question number 3 and now we are updating. Okay. So line number 6 now. Line number 6 is now ELE1 is equal to ELE2. So if it is equal to, and for that case it is saying that it should return true, meaning it shouldn't be going inside. I mean, sorry, it shouldn't be going inside for any one of the case. True or
Yes.
false? For none of the element, it should go inside. I mean, if it is going, then it will return as a false, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that case, what it is saying that the conditional is in order will return true only if elements of L are ascending order. Just make sure. So ascending order. Ascending order. So it will be obviously it will be not true. For one of the element is equal to say, then
Sir, we are replacing this line.
yes.
So it will return if all the elements are unique.
Yeah. Just a minute. Yes. So what will happen now? If any one of the case, it should have element. In this case, L should have what? Not same. I mean, there will be no duplicates in this case. In this case, elements shouldn't be duplicates. Duplicates. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? It will be unique. Okay. In other, let us say, see, next element is 1, and for this case, what will happen? Because let us see. I mean, now you are coming here. You have element 1 will be what? Element 1 will be what? 1.
1.
And rest list will be what?
1.
This. And element 2 will be what?
1.
1.
Now come here. So this is not the now case here. What is the case we have? This guy. For question number 3, if 1 is equal to 1, it's true or false statement?
True.
True. It will go inside and it will return false. But what we want actually, it should return true.
True.
For meaning, for none of the case, this statement should be true. Meaning, the consecutive element shouldn't be same. I mean, it shouldn't be have duplicate. I mean, so the number elements of Li should be unique. If it is equal, then it will return false, no? Guys, if it is equal, can you see this? If elements are same, it is returning false, no? Aman,
Yes, sir.
Pranav, what's your name? Sorry, hello. Who had doubt in question number 3?
Sir, me.
Yeah. So can you see this? If elements are same, it is returning false. But what we want? It should return true. Means elements should be unique. Unique means there will be no duplicates.
Okay.
Understand? So the
Understand.
answer will be this one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Others, those. Okay. So this is understood, no, for everyone. Those who have watched the lecture, please watch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I think anybody's having doubt. If no doubt, then I have some
No,
question.
sir.
Hello.
No, sir.
Okay, then I have one question. Try to look at what it is happening here. Then I will ask the question. Be ready and don't write in chat. So my question is clear for everyone. Can you see the question?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Tell me. Yeah. It's clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So just think that what it is happening here. Try to look at the full pseudocode and how we will look at. I have already told you, means you can break into the code. So like first of all, when so just give you the brief. If you have forget, then I tell you. So whenever any code is coming, can you see this? This is a 38 line code. I mean, pretty big. Whatever you have seen, it's not that much big. You have seen. Means you have seen some of the code, but not this. Okay. So generally, if it is the case, I mean, what you do first, you can see that some procedure is there. So you can break into the two. Means this is the main part of the pseudocode, and this is the procedure. So you can see the first main code, what it is happening. In that, you should look at whenever there is any loop is there. So you can see in line number 2, there is a loop. Where is the closing bracket? So you just put a straight line, which is closing at the 23rd line. So whenever this condition is becoming true, the whole line till here, it will be executed. Understood? So like that, you just break. If this is the while loop where it is closing, just put the straight line. Yeah, this is the one. The first closing bracket. There is another one, but first closing bracket I'm saying. So this whole
Sir,
thing.
cursor is not visible.
Sorry,
Cursor is not visible.
not visible. Okay. Just, what about now? My cursor is visible.
Okay, so if I
Yes,
look at
sir.
from the
Visible, sir.
Yeah. So I'm saying that whenever you have a big pseudocode, what you see here, there is a procedure. So you can break into this pseudocode into two blocks. First is the main part of the pseudocode, and another one is the procedure. So look at the first at the main part of the pseudocode. So you can see that there are loops, and this is nothing but nested loop. Loop is inside loop. So this is nested loop. So you just see that loop, the first loop, this is the loop where it has opened. Two, opening is pretty straightforward. Where it has closed, just put a straight line, first closing bracket. So this is the one. So whenever this statement is becoming true, this whole part will be executed. Agree? If this is the another while loop is there, which is inside of this while block, this is has opened at line number 5 where it has closed. So if you put a straight line, the first closing bracket, this is there is another one in line number 17, but what I told you, you have to look at the first closing bracket, which is at the line number 14. So whenever this condition is becoming true, this part of the code is going to be executed. This part, I mean, whenever this condition is true, and there is a further condition when I check and uh, whether it will be executed or this will be executed, that depends on the condition of the card. Okay. Chalo. So, and you also try to look at this one also procedure also. Okay. So now I give you 2 to 3 months, try to look at, and then my first question will be, I mean, what will n represent? Just think what n will represent. I will ask what n will represent, what a will represent. Okay. And what is value, or what value will represent also. So try to look at slowly. I mean, is it, the question is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is actually a very good question. If you can scroll, yes. All things are mentioned here. Here, nested loop is there. Binning is there. Yeah, binning is there. Procedure is there. Yeah, it's clear now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir,
Can
which
I ask?
question is this, sir?
Sorry. I
Which
told you
question
no.
is this?
I will give you some questions. You guys are asking some questions, so I have some questions. There's some actually pretty good question conceptual. So that's why I have. I want to discuss this question with you guys. Okay, so how many wanted to tell what A will represent? No, no, what not A? N. What N will represent? And first
Maximum
of
number of books written by a single author
maximum number of books.
by the same author,
Yeah. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah. Okay. What's your full name?
Santiago.
Sarah Santiago. Okay. Okay. So others? Yeah.
Same, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
N is actually representing maximum number of books published by an author. Correct? What Sarah and Gabriel told us. Others also. How many agree on this?
Great, sir.
Great, sir.
Okay, others are just participating in the conversation. I mean, just want to be just spectator of this question because this is very good question. I mean, if you are able to solve, I mean,
Sir, I am agree.
Sir, what, sir?
I'm saying that how many have understood that N will represent maximum number of books published by an author or a single author. How
Okay,
many? Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my next so my next question is what? No, not count. Okay, chalo.
Can you just show the code again?
Yeah, code I'm showing. What count will represent now? What count will represent?
Total number of distinct authors.
Total number of distinct authors.
Right, I think it will
Total number
count
of
the
books
number of
written by
tables.
one author.
Total number of books in library dataset.
You take okay. Total number of
Just total number of books.
Books written
total
by
number
one
of books.
author.
Okay. So who is telling that count will represent total number of authors or total number of books? How many of you guys are telling these among these two options?
Total number of books.
Total number
Total
of
number of books.
who is this? I mean, the picture.
Deep Shikha, sir.
Oh, so Deep Sikha. Sorry, Deep Sikha and other one.
Sir, Devudip, sir.
They were so guys. Why this name is coming in this A1209 A1240? Why? Please change your name. I mean, it will be good that if you log in with your actual name. Others, others. What? I mean, Gargi, you have any doubt? You raised your hand.
No, sir.
I can see 60 participants are there. Only very few people are participating in this question. But yeah, tell me what count will you represent once? So I just asked.
The number of books.
Number of books by the same author.
Number of
Books
Books by the same
Yes, sir.
author.
Only number of books.
only number of books. Okay. So my first question is that you have a library data set. Okay. What do you think? Number of, let us say there are. Saying here. Yeah. So you have m. Sorry. M number of books. M is, let us say, M. My screen is clear, no? I mean, like, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Number of books. and n is number of authors. So you tell me which statement one I'm writing. So one is there. N is greater than n. Which are the possible cases? If one, also one thing, the question is
sir. Yum, sir. Yum only.
yeah. So my sir, think this one. Assume that all authors have a distinct name and each book is written by a single author. So what do you mean by
So,
all authors
yum-
are just
Yum
Bharati?
number 2, sir.
Bharati.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a second. Okay.
Sure, sir.
So I'm saying that assume that all authors have distinct name. What do you mean by distinct name?
Different name.
Different names.
Unique names. Unique.
Meaning, I tell you meaning. Just an example, like if you go if I mean the very basic example in your class, there can be a person. I mean there can be more than one person who has same name. I mean let us say Rajesh. So Rajesh can have two persons name in your class. So I mean there can be possibility, no?
Yes, sir.
But for
Yes, sir.
this case, I'm saying that there is only one person who has name Rajesh, only one. Means all names should be representing for only one person. Another one is each book is written by single author. Means one book is written by single author. Now tell me which possibility can be true. So this can be true.
Only 2 is possible.
Maybe true or false. What is that? This will be always true or false. I mean, m can be greater than n.
No, sir.
Sorry, m can be greater than n.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Yum equal to n.
Yes.
My first question is just say m is greater than n. It can be the case.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is possible.
Okay. M can be same as n.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That one
But
also
what, m can
possible.
be less than n.
No, sir.
No,
No,
no.
sir.
Good. So yeah. So this cannot be possible. Why? Because each book is written by only one author.
Single
So there
one
can be
author, yes.
there can be books. There can be books which is written by. I mean, there can be more than one books can be written by one author. Like one author has written more than one books. That is the case also, no? So the number of books can be more than the number of authors. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, so for that case, I have just written. Tell. Okay, so now coming to this one question. Question number one is like it is easy, but I just explain and try to understand. Those who are having doubt, and please participate in conversation. If you have any doubt for me, every doubt is of same level. I do not think this is a silly doubt or this is a very good doubt, and all doubts are good for me. Please speak up and because you are online is fine because you are not in class. Otherwise, I would have asked directly, but it's online. I cannot see the expressions how your grades are rating, whether you are able to understand or not. But that should be coming from you guys because this type of questions.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, some students wanna participate, but they can't because you muted them.
Yeah, I muted.
Yeah, yes, sir.
No, but how you are able to speak?
They are commenting in the chat section.
Is it?
Sir, can you explain the procedure? Find something.
Just me. I haven't muted anyone. Which is the guy I have muted? Everybody can speak, I think. Or if you want to speak, please raise
Yes,
your
sir.
hand. If you want to speak, please raise your hand.
Everything is fine, sir. Please
Yeah.
continue.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, chalo. Yeah. So please speak up, guys. It's good that if you participate in conversation, it will be good for you. Okay. Chalo. Yeah. So our question was this one. So this is based on our library data set, and you have initialized. If you have any doubt in between, you can stop me and you can ask. Good. Yeah. So and other those who have done this count and what n is representing can also try to find what value will represent. Okay. Just keep it ready. Please write on. Please write these things and what a is representing, what n is representing, what count is representing, what value is representing. Write in your notebook. And while explaining, I will. You just also try to match with our answer. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Who had doubt? Hello.
No, sir, continue.
Yeah. So please mute if you are having no any doubt. Please mute yourself. Good. Yeah. So what the question was based on the library data set, and so we did not have library cards actually. Others for the shopping wheel and words data set and scores data, we have cards. But for to solve this question, we need not to have actual library cards. If we have a template, we are pretty much in a good situation to solve this particular question. Okay. So we have initialized in count value. These are initialized with integer value, meaning they are going to store only which type of data? Integer data. Now we have nested loop. How can I say that this is nested loop? Can we see that while is one here, another one is here. So loop is inside loop. Therefore, we say this one is a nested. Two individual loop are there outside. Then these that is called non-nested. But this is nested. Loop is inside loop, therefore we say nested loop. So we have a nested loop. What we are trying to do here? So let us see. I'm just just a minute.
We are comparing, sir.
Sorry. Yeah. So I'm going to take an example. I mean, let me go to the new page actually. That will be good.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
In line 7, it is comparing the author of first card with the second card, right?
Just Naveen, I haven't reached. I'm just going through line by line. And once I reach here, and if you are having still doubt, let me know. Okay.
Okay.
I will clear your doubts. Okay. So what I'm just assuming the three random data. I mean, some random data I'm just assuming. So what are the information we need here? Can you check? Can you see here? I mean, till here in this case, what are the information you have? So books for author only. No, you want to have author's name only. Hana? Can you see this? In
Yes,
this,
Yes, sir.
but here you need year and genre itself. But we will talk it later. But for this case, main part of the pseudocode, because in this case, for the finding the value of value, we need that find procedure. For the timing, we are only concentrating on what n will represent and what count will represent. Therefore, just I need the information of author. So what I do, I just take a random 5 author. So just tell me, like I'm just saying, taking the 5 author name. Let us say the first author is Ram. Tell me now. I mean, the first I am writing for first book author name. Second book author name. Can we have Ali?
Yes, sir.
Joseph, Ram. Ram can come twice,
Yeah.
and Ali can Ali. So what I have written here, I have just written. I was going through books, and that book is. I mean, let me write actually. So book number A is written by.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Who is this?
How can
Sir, it is mentioned that authors
In the
have
quiz.
distinct names. Then how can we use Ram again and again?
No, so just listen. What I'm trying to say here that I am going through the books. So the first book is, let us say, A. Next, that book is written by Ram. That can be possible. Just go. What I'm trying to say. First book name is A. That is written by Ram. Agree? Next book, let us say that book is T. That is written by Ali. Can we know?
Yes.
Another book.
Yes, sir.
Another book. Let us say that is
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it.
another book is E. That is written by Joseph. Next book is, let us say, is D. That is written by Ram. And one more book which is H, written by Ali. Now agree? Now everybody is clear on this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, everyone? If anybody is having
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
that was the good question, that why Ram is coming again or and Ali is coming again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
No,
have.
sir.
Yeah, anybody's have raised hand. I mean, not able to speak. Just let me see. So if you are not able to speak, just raise your hand. Okay.
Sir, I didn't understand
Sir,
why
here
Ram
A,
came twice.
Acha,
here
acha.
A, T, E,
Question.
D, and H are all are books, and Ram Ali are authors, right, sir?
Just minute. I couldn't hear because people were. I mean, so please raise your hand. No, I mean, and so the first Gargi. Gargi. Can you? Now can you speak, Gargi?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Gargi. You are not able to speak. I mean,
Yes, sir.
okay. I don't know why, but okay. So tell me, what's your doubt in this? I have written these things. I mean, there are 5 books: A, T, E, D, and H books. The A book is written by Ram, T book is written by Ali, E is written by Joseph, D is written by Ram, and H is written by Ali. Any doubt in this? What is doubt in this? You are
No,
having.
sir.
No, sir.
No
No.
doubt.
Okay. Now then Naveen.
No, sir. I also had the same doubt. The A,
Huh?
T, E,
Yes,
D,
sir.
and H are books.
Huh?
And
Actually, according to question, all the authors have different name, and every book is written by a single author.
Yes.
Then
I
why, even if the book is different, but authors should not be double,
So
right?
author can written more than one book is not possible. I am not violating anything. What is written, all authors have distinct name. So the same author has written, meaning Miss Ram is coming here. I mean, say book A is written by Ram and book D is also written by Ram. It can be, no?
Okay,
I'm,
okay.
I'm not
Two
saying that.
authors, but don't they don't never have a same name, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not
Okay.
violating that case. No, I'm not saying that uh, there are 2 persons who have same name. I'm saying that book A is written by also Ram and D is also written by Ram, but the same person. That can be the case, no? Okay.
Got it.
Okay, that's clear till here. What I have written here is clear for everyone. No, yes.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Please mute yourself. If you are, now I'm moving to the next. I mean, just I have taken this random data to make you understand that how this code will execute. Okay, chalo. That is actually required. Yeah. Okay. So now read the first row X in table. Okay. So this is table 1. Move X to table 2. So you have written, and X is what? You have X is what? I mean, this information you have A, which is written by Ram. Okay. Now we have moved to table 2, this guy, table 2. So table 2 is there. What you have done? This guy you have moved where? Table 2. Agree? That is what we have done till line number 4. Now we are checking in table 1. Table 1 has more rows. Yes, we have. So these are in table form. Understand? So this will be on top, then below that, like that.
Yes, sir.
Agree? Now we are checking, read the first row Y. So as soon as you come, okay. So as soon as you come here in line number 6, read the first row. Y will be what? Sorry, Y will be what?
D Ali.
Tell me. This one, no? Book T is written
sir.
by Ali.
Ali.
Okay? I am not going to remove here. I'm just copying because it has just reading the card now. Yeah, if X dot author is same as Y dot author. What is the author of X? Ram. What is the author of Y?
Ali.
Ali.
Ali. So are they same?
No.
So this
No,
is
sir.
false. Where it will go? If this is false, where it will go? Which block?
Table 3.
Yeah,
Table
table 3
three.
means
Table
it will
three.
go to the else block and
Else
move
block.
Y to table 3. Understand? So this table 3 is now, I mean, let me write here itself. I mean, control X. I mean, all table I'm writing at the one position. I don't think so there will be issue. Yeah. So table 3. So table 3 may what it will go? Table 3, this guy. TLE. Understand? So it will be here. Everybody agree on this? What I have done? Author is not same. It will come
sir.
here to else block and it will move to table 3. Now this is the closing bracket of this while loop. So again you have to go and check table 1 has more rows or not. So still table 1 has more rows. Is there or not? Is there or not? So E it will next Y will be what? This one.
Sir, why is T Ali in the third table, sir? Because the author is same only, right? For T and H.
What is X you have currently? Your X is Ram, no? I mean X this book. This is compared with Ali. So Ram is same as Ali. I mean Ram is equal to Ali.
No, sir.
So where it will go? It will go to the table 3, no?
Yes, sir.
Understand? No. I mean still confusion you have?
No, sir.
No, sir. No confusion.
Okay.
Continue.
Now I'm coming to the next Y, means next row in table 1, which is what? E Joseph. Anna? E Joseph. Now what is Y will be this guy, no? E Joseph. Again it will check. So X is fixed. Can you see that? Ram, the first is fixed and it is comparing with the remaining authors. So now again check. Ram is same as Joseph. Ram is equal to Joseph. Is true or false? False. It will go to the else block and move Y to table 3. So this guy will be moved to table 3. Anybody having doubt here? No, no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now again, this is closing bracket of this one. Now we will come to table 1 and what is the value of Y now we have? D Ram. Okay. Now your this Y will be this guy. Now check. X dot author is same as Y dot author?
Yes.
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 So what we are going to do here? A will be A plus 1. What was A initialized with?
1.
There is a meaning of initializing A with 1. You will understand little bit later.
Sir, why A is initialized with 1? Although
just now I told you there is some logic. I mean, you will understand once you make it this one. I mean, so what A is representing, then you will understand. Okay. Chalo. So A is 1 plus 1. It became 2. I will tell you why. Just give me 2 to 3. I mean, 1 to 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now A become 2, and where Y have to move this guy? Table 2. So this guy will move where? Table 2, not in table 3. Guys.
Yeah.
Now coming to next line, and what is table 1 has more rows? Yes, we have this guy. We have control C, and this now this will be here. And it will check. Author Ram is same as Ali? No. It will go to the now table 3. So this guy will go where?
Table 3.
Table 3. So table 3 it came, and now will so this now again check. Table 1 has more rows? No, it is got over. Now it will come. A is greater than N. So A is what? We have 2. 2 is greater than N. N is what? 0. It's true. So now N will become
2.
And after that you have to initialize A with again 1. I tell you. So can you see this?
Sir, how N is equal to 2? Sir, how N is equal to 2?
N barabar A, no. N
Oh,
is
okay.
equal to
Okay.
Can you see this? A is representing something. I mean,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I mean, the same author, for this case, same
How many
author,
books are there?
how many have books are written by
Same.
Ram? Understand, no?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
I mean, see, when you are considering first itself, the first book, then this book is also written by Ramna, and you are comparing with the next book, then there will be two books, no? I mean, if both
Yeah.
books are same, so that's why you have to initialize with one to calculate or to find the number of books written by same author. If you initialize with this 0, no, you will lose one information of the one, lose the information of one book. I mean, as soon
Okay,
as you
okay,
enter,
okay.
means
So,
you have written this author has written two books. That's why both are same, no, in this row.
okay, sir. I mean, sir, you assume that already author has written a book.
I have not assumed that, because once this statement is becoming true, meaning this author has written two books, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's why A should be initialized
So
with
it's
1.
to 1. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, sir.
Understand? Everybody, others? Yeah.
Sir, I have
After-
no, sir. Could you just explain again?
Acha, just a minute, yeah. Give me a second.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, Deepak, others, just give me a second. Please, so guys, please raise your hand and ask your doubts. Otherwise, I don't know who is talking and what doubts. Okay, because it just make noise for me. Yeah. So Deepakshi, no? Deepakshi, yeah. What's your doubt actually?
Sir, I have a doubt in practice assignment week 4.
Oh my God, practice assignment. So
Yes,
now
sir.
I'm just try to cover one of the question which is important. I mean, please.
Doubt question number 10.
Which
10,
one?
9, 7, 3.
Tell me, week 4 practice assignment. Question number
10,
10,
9,
9,
7,
7.
6.
All are there. Why you
No,
are saying? Okay.
no, sir. 6, 5, and 3.
Okay. What is remaining?
Sir, 1, 2, 8.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so I will explain this one, but I'm just explaining. It's a very good question. If you understand this one, I think with this concept, you will be able to understand that question. But I will try to solve this one. But before that, I'm explaining this one. So can you be in the session? You have joined just now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you will not understand what is happening here.
Okay, so sir, I have done this question.
Oh, we have done this one. Okay, then why? What? These are pretty easy questions, I think, compared to this one. Okay, I will explain that one.
And if not A, and
Okay, so be in the session. No, I mean, if you know this question, then it will be good. You help me if I'm making mistake any.
Okay.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, so next, who is having doubt? Dhanya.
Sir, I just wonder why A is initialized when I missed that point.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. See, when if X author is same is equal to Y dot author, then you are increasing or incrementing A with 1. So can you see, this is actually counting number of books written by author. So when these two are same, meaning you have already written one book, that's why you are comparing with another one. No? I mean, then
Yes, sir, got it.
got it. That's why A is initialized with 1. Okay. Okay. So others, I mean, Akash.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
We are putting if in for
if in
16 line, 15
line number 15, yeah.
Yeah, we are not using to assign the value of n in upper code. So why we are putting the if value?
No, so A is initialized. A is also initialized here, no? So it is. Can you see that this is something you have already known? This will find us some max value of A. Understand? So if this is A is variable here, no, because A will be keep changing, and whenever you find the max value, since A is initialized at 0, something it is you are going to store some max value. And what is that max value? The variable a. Because whenever this condition is becoming true, you are going to assign the value of a in a. A in n. Huh?
But all the time the A is greater than N.
No. I mean, so for the next case, if you see here, I mean, that's why be in the session. I will understand that all time it will be not the greater than, because see, you have reinitialized the value of a. Can you see here, line number 18?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
So next time, if you do not see any book which is written by same author, the value of a will be a still 1, no? And 2 is greater than 1 is false. Sorry, 1 is greater than 2 is false. It will not update. It will not always greater than n. I mean, you will understand how it will be. So yeah. So now coming here, n becoming 2, a will be, you have reinitialized, and count is equal to count plus 1. Count is equal to, there is a meaning. I mean, count, this is very good. I mean, count is equal to, very cleverly we are doing this. Count is 0 plus 1 will be 1. You will understand what is ended with count in the latter step. For the timing, we are just leaving the find table. I will make you understand. This is not too much difficult to understand. It will just return the pairs because we have to use this nested loop. Now come to here, line number 21. Delete all rows from table 2. So what is table 2? We have this guy. So we are deleting this guy. Okay, guys. So we have deleted table 2 items.
Yes.
Now come, move all rows from table 3 to table 1. So this one we have to move control X to control. That's everybody agree?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now
Yes,
come,
sir.
now come, read the first row, because this is the closing bracket, and now again we have to check. So table 1 has more rows, true or false? We have rows. Read the first row. So now what X you will have? The first one. Now P Ali will be the first one, no? X,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Anna?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And move X to table 2. So it will be also moved to table 2. Okay? Agree? Now again, why table 1 has more rows? Table 1 has more rows, true or false? True, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now X dot author is equal to Y dot author. So what is Y you have? I mean, this is E Joseph, no? Now if you write this one.
Not equal to.
Yeah. So this will be here E Joseph. Now it will check. X is Ali, Y is Joseph. Both are not same. Where it will go? Move to Y to table
3.
3. So this guy will be moved to table 3. Agree?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So the first, okay, but I will write it. Yeah. So now it will come table 3. Now again it will go and we will check table 1 has more rows. Yes, we have. Now we'll check. So now your Y will be what? This guy. H early. Now again, H X and Y both are same. X author and Y author are same. True. Now we will make A is equal to A plus 1. So obviously 1 plus 1 is 2. You have made it. Now we will come here and we will check table 1, because you have to move this guy to table 2 now. This guy. So table 2, we are moving this one. Control X, and so this is actually binning. So be careful where are you moving. This is very much important. Where are you moving? This is based on the binning question as well. So this is combined nested as well as the binning. We are trying to do binning, some binning. So yeah, so we have moved to table 2. Now you are coming here and table 1 has more rows. No, we do not have. Where will come? We will come here. Now we'll check. A is greater than N. What is the value of A? You have 2. 2 is greater than 2. True or false?
False.
False.
False. So value of A will be still remaining 2. And again you have initialized with A and count is equal to this one. Count will be what? 1 plus 1 will be now 2. Agree?
Yeah.
Now come here. Now same thing. Just leave for a second. Now delete all rows from table 2. Table 2 we have deleted. Now move all rows 3 from table. Okay, control X. This one, table 1. Agree? Now come here. So table 1 has more rows. Yes, we have. Now move X to table 2. This guy is moved to table X, table 2. Now, while table 1 has more rows, table 1 has more rows? No, we do not have, no? Can you see this?
No, sir.
So now we will not go inside and we will come here. A. So can you see here? So now if you have A initialized with 0, then
Yeah.
do you think that the value of the author Joseph has written one book, no? But you are comparing with 0. You are losing one information, no? That's why I was saying that A should be initialized with 1. So meaning, so now we will check that A is greater than 1 is greater than 2. It's true or false. False condition. You will not go inside. Now A is 1 and count is equal to, again you have to make it plus 1 will be now 3. So I mean, and delete these rows from table 2. Yeah, okay. And now all table rows. So we do not have, so we will stop the iteration. So can you see this? What was our all information? I lost the information. What was the name of Ram was there? What was the book he has written? A, na?
A Ram.
Ram. Then do you remember anyone, guys?
Ali.
Something was
Ali.
Yes, sir.
sorry.
D Ali.
No, next one, the first one.
Joseph.
What was the
Joseph.
E. Joseph.
E. Joseph.
E.
Joseph.
Joseph. Can you go to back to and E. Joseph? Okay.
D. Ram.
Joseph. And then next is what?
T. Ali.
E. Ali, na?
Yes, sir.
Next
Sir,
one.
T. Ali. T. Not E.
Okay, T. Ali, sorry. T. Ali. Then next.
H. Ram.
H. Ram. H. Ram.
H. Ali.
And next is what?
D. Ram.
This was the one, no? Everybody.
D. Ram, sir. D.
D. Ram.
Two books are same.
This say, sorry?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, can you see this? You have got a value of n is equal to 2, count is equal to 3. Can you think that what n is representing? N is the 2. So it is the maximum number of book written by any author. Can you say Ram has written 2 books? Yeah, this is the maximum 2. Ali has also written 2. So therefore it's a collision, but still any author which has written maximum number of books is only 2. That is what it is representing. Count is representing 3. What do you mean by 3?
Sir, the distinct
Number of authors.
names of the
Number
authors.
of authors.
Yeah, number of
Authors.
authors. How many authors are there? Can you see this?
There are 3 distinct.
Yeah,
There are
how we have cleverly done? Can you see this? So what we have done, no? Meaning in going through first loop, we have fixed x. Okay? We have fixed x. In second loop, what we have cleverly done? Whenever we are seeing the same author, we are moving to table 2. And if it is not same, we are moving to table 3. And which are the cards you are bringing again back to table 1? Which are in table 3, no? Not in table 2. We are deleting all the table 2 authors. Understand? So whenever the same author is there, you are moving to table 2. So for that, there is only one counting, because once you all move to table 2, you are incrementing only 1. Anna? No? Still no? Okay. So what we have done, so when Ram was the case, we are going through each and every, and we are, whenever their card is author name is not same, we are moving to table 3, and when authors are same, we are moving to table 2. Agree, everyone? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it was keep happening for all the cases, and you came here, and now you have incremented count is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And what you have done, you have deleted all the table 2. And table 2, what are the cards you have? All the books which are written by Ram. Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
as you end this or as you stop this inner while loop, you will end it in table 2. Which are the books in table 2 will be there? The books which is written by Ram only, no? And
Yes,
for
sir.
that you are
Yes.
incrementing only 1. So for one author, it is incrementing 1. Because you are not bringing back table 2 information anywhere. We are deleting. Can you see this? No? Still
Yes,
not clear?
Yes.
That is what we have. Yeah. Okay. So this was the question. I mean, so we have cleverly found out also the number of tables. How we can find the number of books? Simple. If we have just how we can find the number of books actually? Tell me. Where I should put the any variable which should count the number of books. Sorry. Tell me the line number at which I should write to find the number of books. Anyone? Anyone?
Line 6.
Line 6 here. Yeah, 6 to 7 if you put also, you will get the. No. Why? Now line 6, what will be the problem? Below if you write that.
We'll
It
miss
will
the
be
first one.
1.
Yeah, it will be repeating. No, I mean the same thing you will count.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So where I should put? Tell me, it's a very easy. I mean, think where should I put to count the number of books only?
Table 3.
Table 3. You tell me the line number where I should insert the
Line 4.
to find the. I mean, I have initialized the one variable called book. Sorry, book with 0, and I want to count the number of books in table 1. Where I should put?
After line 3.
Yeah, very straightforward. After line 3. Means as you move one card as you read one card from table 1, you should just increment. Guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now coming back to this guy, I mean value of this one. What value will represent? So you remember that what are the value you are calling? I mean, with what value you are calling this find something value and table 2. And at the end of every iteration, I mean, so after completing of this for any card X, what do you think table 2 will have? Same author book, table 2 will have?
Yes, sir.
Agree? So you are calling value, I mean, just find something procedure with value and table 2. So initially it is 0. Now you go and B is becoming 0. You are moving all the things and you are, see, this is nothing but you are finding the pairs, no? And pairs for what? Number of books, I mean, which are published not in same year, and also the author should be same, and the genre should be same. What do you think about authors? This is the hidden thing here. I mean, I was trying to ask, I mean, in this question.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the information you will have same in pairs? You will have the pairs will have same genre book,
Same genre, but
not published
different
in
year.
same year, but published by same author. So that's why question number 6 is which is the number of books written by different authors? Wrong, no? Number of different number of books written by same author under same genre but published in different years.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
this? I mean, yeah. How was this question?
Very good, sir.
Yeah, try to see. I have taken some random example and try to execute. If you do not understand any question, just take a 2 or 3 value and try to execute the code. Then you will understand that if you iterate through at least 1 or 2 card, no, for next card you need not to go through line by line. You will automatically understand what will happen, and you should choose your data in such a way that each and every line of the pseudocode should be executed. Otherwise, you will not understand what is happening because each and every line of the pseudocode represents something. Understand? Okay. So this is my question. Now coming back to the question.
Sir?
Bolo.
Sir, actually, I have doubt in the question. From beginning, I have doubt in the question that assume that all author have distinct names. Distinct names means unique name and different names.
You joined late,
No, sir.
but I have explained distinct meaning. I told you, no. I mean, in a classroom, there cannot be more than one Rajesh. I mean, two persons cannot have same name. Two
Yeah.
persons cannot name. What's your name?
Avinash.
Avinash. So might be in your school, there can be more than one person who
Yeah.
has same name. So that information, I mean, that shouldn't be the case for this pseudocode.
Okay. Sir, then in line number 7, how it can be x dot author equal to y dot author?
So that is what book A is written by Ram, book E is written by Joseph, T is written by Ali, H is written by Ram. That can be the case. Now I am going through book wise, and that book is written by Ram. Ram can write more than one book also, no? I mean, I have explained this one also, but again I'm repeating that because see, I am going through books, no, because tables are initiated with books.
Okay, okay. Actually, I thought that tables are initiated with authors.
No.
Okay.
If you see the library data set, the template, you will see that. Okay.
Yeah. Got it, sir.
Okay. Everybody understood this question?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what should I do? I'm just going to the question. Who have asked this question? Practice assignment 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. What's your name? Hello. I just forget her name. Yeah. Hello. Whether she is here or not, I don't know. Hello. If you have, are you here?
I
No?
think she left, sir.
So what to do? Okay, you have any
Skip
doubts?
those questions.
Sorry. So this is
Another question like
yeah. So this question is clear for how many? Everybody is clear on this?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Okay. So let me see that in question 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Anybody is having doubt in these questions? Everybody is clear on these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nice questions.
I mean, so what this one? I mean, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 of week 4 practice assignment. Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so since he is not there, I don't know. I mean, if anybody is having doubt, I can explain. Otherwise, I won't explain because there is no meaning of explaining. Okay. Yeah, just let me see other question. Just I'm stopping sharing. Let me see some good questions.
So,
Yeah, just a minute. Let me see the just a minute, guys. Just give me a second. Let me see the graded assignment with match. Yeah, take rest for 1 minute and yeah. Internet is not working. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just telling, please revise, please make a note for till week 1 to 4 in your own way. I mean, in your handwriting, and then it will take less time to make you understand that what is happening. So write in one or two, like I have prepared for week 1, week 2, like that. You also prepare for on your handwriting. Okay. This is week 4. Yeah. Okay. So my screen is not visible, no?
Not visible, sir.
No, sir. No,
Yeah.
sir.
What about now?
Yes, sir,
Can you
visible.
see this question?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Try to think what is happening and try to find what will be the answer. Okay. Just I'm giving you 2 minutes. Understand where that loop has opened, where that loop has closed. Try to think that. This is a very good question. Okay. I just give you 2 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Please don't make noise. If you have any doubt, please try to understand. After 2 minutes, I will let you know what is happening here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Please mute. No, if you're not okay. Yeah. I will back in 1 minute.
So can you show the options, sir? Sir, option.
सर कहीं गए हैं
Hello.
So can you show the options, sir?
Now tell me what count will you represent? Options are these things. This one. Govind. Options are clear for everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think A is correct.
A.
E, sir. Option E.
Yes.
I think C.
B. B.
Option E.
Option A.
C.
Sir, option A.
C and D, sir.
Both are. This is not a MSQ. This is MCQ. Only
Oh.
one is correct.
Sir, option E.
Sir, A is
Option A.
correct.
Even I don't know what is the answer. So I'm just guessing. Whatever you're saying, I'm just
Option A,
assuming.
sir.
Sir, can you show the full option? I think E. Yeah.
So E option is number of words in which no two vowels or no two consonants occurs consecutively.
Yes, I think that one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. E, sir.
Option E.
Option E, sir.
If you are able to solve these questions, easy man. I mean, you guys have
So option E is the answer, sir.
Oh my
The
God.
letter
Okay.
count first A, B is false. A can count 1. So A true, B false.
Okay. Yeah, so you guys you have seen these questions somewhere
Yes,
before?
complete. Yes. If not A means no A. So
Okay,
that
so
one.
those who are okay, yeah, Bharti understood. Yeah. Okay, so those who haven't understand this question, what is happening, can you speak up? Please raise your hand, or maybe
So
yeah,
what is
Ankit.
Akash? What is the
Akash.
mean by
Sorry, Akash.
ITH in the line?
Ith letter of X dot word.
Yeah.
Are you seeing first time this one? This type of question? Akash?
Yes.
You haven't, then you haven't joined any one of the live session or any question? You haven't seen?
I have seen.
But this is the not like ith letter of X dot word is like I have asked so many questions based on this. No? So ith means I is what? X letter count. So X letter count is the like any word is like it. So it's how many letters are there? 2. So second letter of X dot word is a vowel. Like that it will work.
Okay.
Yeah. I think anybody have raised hand and Ankit, no?
Sir, can you show the options?
Yeah. See.
Sir, getting E as the answer.
Answer?
Option E.
E. Okay. Okay, then everybody is clear on this, then no need to explain. How many have doubt in this?
Yes, sir, I have doubt.
Yeah,
Sir, I
please
have
raise
doubt.
your only one has doubt. Everybody understood?
Please explain what was happening in this question.
Yeah, Vivanshu Tiwari, I understand. Okay, so now I'm just saying, please raise your hand if you haven't understand this question, or you are not able to find what count will represent. Only 2. And what is your name? Okay, no need to ask name, but yeah, please log in with your email ID. Email ID means your actual name. Okay, so others are able to understand. Gurmukh, hey, you are able to understand what is happening here?
Yes, sir.
Gurmukh? Okay. Gargi?
Sir, which question is this?
Yes, sir.
Question number 7.
Practice assignment, sir.
No practice assignment. I have given some questions.
Okay, sir.
You understand? Did you understand what is happening here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can see only 3 people out of 55 students have 52. All are clear. Is it? I mean, this is just an online platform. Still, you are like hesitating to raise your hand. I don't understand this. Okay, so I didn't ask them for the random person. Shubham Kumar, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain what is happening here?
In this question.
Yeah. And if you are not comfortable, it's fine. I mean,
Not comfortable.
then please raise your hand, no? See, if you raise your hand, then I will have idea that how many are not able to understand. Then I will put little bit more effort, give more example to make you understand. So that is my only motto. I mean, it's not I'm just saying that you haven't understand. This is a time to learn, no? I mean, I have another person. Okay. Tripti? Tripti,
Yes, sir.
did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain?
I can try.
Yeah, okay. So give a try, no? It's fine, good. Fine. You
Thank
are,
you.
yeah.
So here we are executing words data set. We have words, and in words they are made up of vowels and consonants. So we first took one word and we transported to the table 2.
Table 1, table 1, then we read that card and we move to table 2. Okay,
Table
now.
2. And I are representing the number of letters of that word.
Yeah.
For example, if the word is it has 2 letters, I and T. So the value of I will become 2.
Yeah.
And we are initializing C as 0, A as false, and B as false.
Yeah.
So while I is greater than 0, so as I is 2, so it is greater than 0, we will check inside. If ith letter of the X word is a vowel, ith means second letter of the word is vowel. That means if T is the vowel, we will execute the statement or we will go to else.
Yeah.
So the if statement is not true, so we will go to else. And in inside, we can see that there is a statement if not A and B. So that means if not false and B. So means true and false. It will be false and we will increment C as 1.
We will update the value of C with 1. Okay, we
Yeah.
are not incrementing. Yeah, good, good. Yeah, thank you, Tripti. Yeah, you have understood question. Yeah, good. Yeah, okay. Others are also. I mean, everybody understood. I mean, just I want to know the number. I mean, how many have not understood? This is also not an easy question. I mean,
I want to know which are A and B. Which statement is A, which statement is B.
A and B meaning? Which is A and B? I didn't understand. What are you trying to ask?
Sir, sir, line number 15. Note A means true and false.
Yeah.
In that case, the ultimate answer is not false means true. True and B is false.
Yeah.
True and false is false. No, sir.
Yeah, obviously it is connected with AND operator. So executing this one, both should have true. So obviously this is true and this is false for the first time. So obviously it will not go inside, it will come here and we will update with false and we will update with true. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. Good. So see, I'm going to explain and listen carefully what is happening here in this code. Yeah. So, I mean, this is based on the words data set and we are supposed to find the what count will represent. We are not asking the number, we are just asking the what count will represent. Agree? Now we'll come here, we'll see that yeah, you are executing. So there are like nested. How many loops are there? 1 and 2, which is inside. Therefore, it becoming a nested. We have also the nested if block. If is inside it. Nested, huh? So this is nested if block we have. So we'll see that where count is there in this code. So count we have initialized 0. So obviously it will store some integer type of data. Now come here. Where is somewhere count is there? Yes, here. So count is incremented here. For what value of C count will represent 0? Means whenever the value of C will be 0, you are going to increment count. Agree? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, and what is the initialized value of C is 0. Meaning, and where is the updating of C is happening? Inside of this while loop from here, somewhere in this case. So if in this block, if C is not going to update, for that word, you are going to increment count. This is the summary of this one question.
Yeah, sir. Yes.
I mean, if the value of C is not going to update in the second or the inner while loop, then you are going to increment the count. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, I mean, just start with a very random meaning what, just take some example. I mean, to make you understand this. So whenever you are not able to understand, no, just take some example. I mean. So our first it was Monday morning, the simple one. Monday morning. Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Now coming here, when you go first time, you have x is what? Eat. Okay. X is it. It is where. Now we are checking. I you have initialized with x dot later count. So I will be what?
2.
2. And C is what?
0.
0. So if in this inner block, if C is not going to update, therefore you will increment, because C, the value of C will be still 0, and for that case you are incrementing the count. Okay. Chalo. Now we have A is equal to if and both are if. No? Okay. False. I mean, just not writing. Okay. Yeah. So while I is greater than 0, yeah, what is the value of I you have? 2. 2 is greater than 0. Yeah. So ith later of x dot, what is the vowel? Ith later. What is the I have? 2. The second later of x dot, what is the vowel? True or false?
False.
False. Where it will go? It will go to the else block, and if not A, what is the value of A here?
False.
False. So not false will be?
True.
True. And what is the value of B you have?
False.
False. So you will not go inside. This will be overall false, no?
Yes.
True and false. It will be overall false. It will not go inside. It will come at line number 18. And for that, you will update A will be false. A was still false, but still we are updating, but B was becoming true. Agree?
Yes.
Now you are coming here, and I you have made it I is equal to I minus 1, meaning I became now 1. 1 is greater than 0. Is true or false?
True, sir.
True, sir.
Now, sorry?
True, sir.
True, na? Chalo. Ith later of x dot word is a vowel.
True, sir.
I is vowel. True. Now, what is the value of A you have?
False.
False.
False. False and not B.
False.
False. False and false will be?
False.
True, sir.
False and false will be false, na?
Yes, sir.
It will not go inside.
It will not go, and it will make it up. A will be?
True.
A will be true, and B will be false. For that, now again I will become 0, and 0 is greater than 0, it will be false. Now you will come here, and for that C you are going to increment. Sorry, count you are going to increment, because the value of C is still 0, and count will become 1. With this case, did you understand what is happening? I mean, no. I mean, for this word, you are not able to understand what is actually count is representing, no? Because there is only 2 letters in this particular word. So for this, you are not able to understand what count is representing. Let us say, because you haven't updated or you haven't executed value of C any time. That's why you didn't understand what is happening.
Take a bigger word.
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying. That's why I was telling you that if you put some word, may or may not, that each and every line of the pseudocode will execute it. But you understood that how the code will work. So to understand the code, each and every line should be executed at least once. Then you will understand, because see, C is never updated once. So you will not understand what is happening with C, So let us see. Now take a word. So now take a random something word like A, B. So why I'm taking A and B? Like both are vowels are there. Starting with vowels. Let us see what will happen for this case. Now you have X is this one. Now we'll check here. I will be 3. So I will be 3. And 3 is greater than 0. True? Ith later of x dot word is what? So I is 3. Chalo. A is false, and B is what? B is again false. Okay. Now, ith letter of X dot word is a vowel. So, third letter of X dot word is a vowel. True or false? False. It will go to the else block. Now it will check not A. Not A means not false. True. But this is false. It will not go inside. Now we will make A will be
False.
A will be false and B will be what?
True.
True. Okay. Now I have made it. Now I will become Q. Now second letter of X word is a vowel. True or false? This is vowel, no?
True.
True.
True. Now it will come here. Now what is the value of A you have? False.
False.
Yeah.
So it will not go inside.
Yeah, it will not go because false and false. It will not go. But what he will do? A will make it true, and what B will be what? B will be false.
False.
Now coming here, and next I will be what? 1. 1 is greater than 0. Yeah. Now ith letter of X word is a vowel. A is vowel. Now the first one, first letter vowel. Now will come here. So A is what? True. B is what? False. Not false.
True.
True. True and true.
True.
True. Meaning you will go inside. See, this is happening. I mean, if A and not B. This is the case, no? And this is what? True and not false. This is overall true and true. This is overall true. Agree? For that case, what we will do? C, we will make it 1. And once you made it C is equal to 1, now will come here. Now I became 0. 0 is greater than 0. It will not go inside. Now 1 is equal to 0. So for this case, you are not updating the count. Or you are not incrementing the count. So there is something different. I mean, two vowels are coming together. Let us check for the two consonants also, like B, A. Now we will check here. So it will, in this case, all for these two cases, if you are continuously, I mean, what I say that if vowels and consonants are alternately, you will execute this block and this block. But both are coming together, no? They will execute the same block. And once you execute the same block of the code, no? Then you are making C is equal to 1 in both cases. Understand what I'm trying to say here? No?
Yes, sir.
I repeat one more.
Yes,
So when letters are in alternate means vowel consonant, then you will execute one time this block and then another time this block, because obviously if vowel is there, you will update you will execute this block. If not a vowel, you will execute this block. But both times, let us say vowels are coming, then you will execute same block, no? And for the same block, if you execute second time, then true and not false. It will be coming true. No, see. One time it will go, then it will be true and false. If you execute same block again, then it will be A will be true and not B. Not B means not false. So true. So true and true, it will come here. So if two same, I mean that either two vowels or either two consonants are coming together, for that case you are not going to increment. Why? Because you are making C to 1, no? For other all cases you are executing. I mean for all other cases C was still 0, therefore you are counting. Guys, I mean, I have summarized the code. If you are still having doubt, let me know. No, I mean it's not pretty to understand easily, but if you put little bit effort, you will understand. I'm repeating one more time. So, did you see that? I mean, in previous case, this the second and the first Later was what? Vowels. For that case, did you understand this block was executed? Hello? Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Others, I mean, I see only one.
Yes, 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 sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So if you execute same block again, no, for that case, you are going to update c is equal to 1, either this one or this one. Let us say for this case, two vowels are there. So obviously you will execute continuously these two for the second and the first one. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So if you go for the second one, obviously you will make it a is equal to true and b is equal to false. If you again for the next one is again vowel, then again you will come with this one because that word is a vowel. So a and not b. What was the value of a in previous? Was true, no?
Yeah.
And what was the value of b you had? False. So true and not false. Will be not false, will be true. Now 2 and 2, you will make it c is equal to 1.
Okay.
So for c is equal to 1, you are not going to increment count now because for incrementing count, you should have c is equal to 0. And
Yes, sir.
if two consonants are coming together, meaning let us see, but if vowel is not there, it will go here. So it will go here and it will make it a is equal to false and b will be true. Next time again vowel is not there, consonant is there, it will come again else block and what it will do? Not a. Not a means
False. No, not
false
A,
will
not
be
false. True.
true and b was still true. So you will make it c is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, if two
Yes, sir.
continuous either vowel or either consonants are coming, you will make it c is equal to 1 for that cases. And for that case, you are not going to increment the count.
Okay, sir.
Therefore, the answer will be like number of words in which no two vowels or no two consonants occur consecutively.
Yes, sir.
Everybody agree on this? What was
Yes,
happening?
sir.
in this?
Yes, sir.
Option
Yes.
E, sir.
Option?
E.
Yeah. Yeah. Now option E is correct. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Everybody understood this code?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Harshit Jan. Did you understand this code, Harshit? Harshit do not want to speak. Okay.
Sir,
Then
you are
we
asking
have,
me.
Sorry.
You are asking me.
Harshit. No, Harshit Jan.
Harshit. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. No, I want to talk to the guys who do not want to speak anymore. Pratyush Omkar. Pratyush, did you understand this code?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you make a effort to make me understand one more time since I have already explained? You see, if anybody is having any doubt, guys, do you have doubt anything in this? Or if you have any other doubt other than this, then I will explain. Otherwise, I will.
Sir, can I ask?
Please.
Sorry, sir, I have joined late, and as you were explaining this, I get confused in this type of problem where true and false are there. So, can you explain me, like when we will update it and what we have to do in the process?
I mean, so if I explain, so when did you join? Just now.
Yes, sir. When you were explaining this, sir.
I mean, at the what time? Beginning or?
So just 5 minutes or 10 minutes before.
Then it is hard. I mean, because again, okay, if others having no doubt, then I can repeat. Otherwise, you can go back. If this is live streaming, you can go back and try to understand what is happening. If others having no doubt, others, you guys have any doubt in any other thing, then guys, you have any doubt other than this? Or you have any doubt in this? Any
No, sir, no
conceptual
comments.
doubt or anything? No? Then I will explain. Okay. So in this code, this was happening like this was like, what's your name? Who has joined late? Why did you join late? I mean, you were not knowing the time. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You joined late. Why? What is the reason?
Sir, I was doing statistics, so that's why.
Okay, 5 to 7. Or no, 6 to 8. The same, huh? 5 to 7, 6 to 8.
No, sir, I am solving the statistics week 4 and 5 assignments.
Okay. Yeah, but you can go and watch on the YouTube, but still I just roughly explain what is happening here. I mean, so in this code was based on Word's data set, and it was asking that what count will it represent. So for incrementing count, the value of C should be 0. And where
Yes,
is
sir.
C here? C was here. So C was initialized 0, meaning, and where was updating value of C? In this block, the inner white block, here and here. So if in this block C is not going to be updated, then for that word you are going to increment the count. And so let us see that I mean, for which value of which word C is becoming 1. So what I have done, I mean, I have taken two words like double AD, and for that I was checking. So I was checking that if two words are, if this code was executed twice continuously, then for that you are going to increment the value of C. I mean, not updating the value of C. And either this block or this block. If you continuously execute these two blocks, then C will be coming 1. So for how we will execute this block twice or by continuously. Then if a word will have vowels together, at least 2 vowels, because for this case you will go inside. Now otherwise for consonant you will go this block. No. So let us say if 2 vowels are there, the first vowel case, we will come here and we will make it A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. Next vowel case, when it will come, it will check A is what? True. B is what? False. So not false will be true. Overall true. So true and true. It will come here and it will make it C is equal to 1. So for that case, you are not going to increment.
Sir, so when in the first, like we will get the vowel for the first time, we will set A to true and B to false.
Yeah, because
Okay.
for initially the first vowel, it will come A is false and B is not false. Not false, true. So false and true, it will not go inside. It will come at line number 12 and it will make it A is equal to 2 and B is equal to false.
Okay, okay.
So next vowel will come, then A will be true because in previous case you have updated value of A is true and not B. B is what? Still false. So not false will be true. So for that case, you will make it C equal to 1. So for that case, you are not incrementing count. Meaning if 2 vowels are coming continuously, you are not going to increment. And this is for the same case for the consonant. I mean, if vowel is not there, it will come into else block and same thing. Continuously 2 times if this block is executed, meaning if 2 consonants are coming together, C will be coming 1. Because like first consonant case, you will make it A is equal to false and B is equal to true. Then in next consonant, not A means false. So not false will be true and B is false. Sorry, B is true. So true and true, it will go inside. I will make it C is equal to 1. So for that case, you are also not going to increment the count. Therefore, if 2 vowels or 2 consonants are coming together, for that case, you are not going to increment. So the answer will be like number of words in which no 2 vowels or no 2 consonants occur consecutively. Agree?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys.
Thank you,
If
sir, for
you
the
guys have
explanation.
no doubt, then what should we do? I mean, should I close the session? Now you guys have, I think, PS session will be also there, no? Yeah, so next week you guys have a revision session. So one revision session will be there. Then one mock session, mock will be there. I mean, we'll have a mock paper. You try to, that will be open till 1. I think Wednesday we will have mock. You will get notification when is the mock. Try to consider as a like mock examination or sit for 1 hour. Try to solve the question. This will give you confidence. And the next day I will solve the mock
Sir,
question.
live mock session.
Not that will, that will be a mock paper, but it will be open for whole day. I mean, so, for some particular time, it will be open. So try to solve that question paper as a fix a timer for yourself, like 1 hour, and then try to solve. The next day, I will try to solve the mock question papers. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay then. Yeah. If no doubts are there, I'm just going to close the session. I mean, anybody is having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then I'm going to close the session. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for joining, and please do prepare well. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank
a
you, sir.
wonderful
Thank you,
session.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So I have an irrelevant question actually.
Okay.
So what distro of Linux are you using?
Sorry.
So what distro of Linux are you using?
I think this is. You want to know the version?
So just the distro, like Arch Linux or
Linux.
Ubuntu.
Linux only. Ubuntu.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys, and please do join also mock. I said TS session also. If you have any doubt, there also very good. Try to get benefited from them. Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Sir, can we leave the class, sir? Sir? Sir, can we leave the class, sir?